बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। रटना नहीं है समझना है। My name is Sajida Raza. I am a student of class 3. My school name is Faizan Islamic School System, Hyderabad, Pakistan. Today we are going to learn class 9 maths chapter number 4 factorization exercise 4.3 question number 3 parts 3. Also there are solving of methods too. We are using the method middle term break method. Also there are types of algebraic expression. We are using the type for B. Bracket x plus a bracket x plus b bracket x plus b bracket x plus d bracket plus k x square. And also the book answers and the steps are written. First of all, use left hand side of a square minus b square formula to answer. So, here will become x square minus 1, then x square minus 9, then plus 4x square. Then the second multiply both left hand side. So, this x square will be multiplied with this whole bracket. Then this minus 1 will be multiplied with this whole bracket. So, x square will become here and the x square minus 9 will become here, minus 1 will become here and the x square minus 9 will become here and plus 4x square will become here. Before going ahead, you know we needed to multiply again. So, x power 4 minus 9x square minus x square plus 9 plus 4x square. Now third, rearrange and solve. Now we need to rearrange. First of all, this will become and this. So it's become x power 4 minus 9 x square minus x square plus 4 x square plus 9 and solve. Now we needed to solve. We needed to solve 2 times. So here will become x power 4 minus 10x square plus 4x square plus 9. So here will become again x power 4 minus 6x square plus 9. Done this. I have no space. I want to do break middle term. I have no space. That's why I'm writing this above. So x power 4 minus 6x square plus 9. So I am removing it. Now we need to break middle term. I am removing it. You have noted now. So that here will become x power 4 minus 3x square minus 3x square plus 9. Here is common x square minus 3 is remaining. Minus 3 will be common here. X square minus 3 is here. So remaining is x square minus 3 and x square minus 3. So fifth is equate 3 into bracket under root 3 whole square. Now we needed to do this. X square minus bracket under root 3 whole square and bracket x square minus bracket radical 3 under root whole square. Done this. Now sixth, use a square minus b square formula twice. So here will become x square minus, so x square will be not come, x plus radical 3, then x minus radical 3, and x plus radical 3. Done this. Now 7th, rearrange and make right hand side of a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. So first of all, this and this will become x minus radical 3, then x minus radical 3, then x plus radical 3, then x plus radical 3. I have no space, that's why I am removing the above one. I want to understand you something. Now listen to me please carefully. First of all, see this a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is the first formula. So this formula we can write like this too. A plus b and a plus b. Okay? Understood? Now so a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square is here. This formula is second formula. So this formula we can write like this too. A minus b and a minus b. So you can see this one, this is matching with this, and this one is matching with this. Now we need it to use these sides, this sides. Okay, I am removing it. You have noted now, that's why I am removing it. I want to write the answer. So our left hand side is made by x minus radical 3 whole square, x minus under root 3 whole square, and it's become our answer. Understood? Okay, let's check in the book answers. So there are x plus under root 3 whole square, x plus will become x plus under root 3 whole square, x minus under root 3 whole square, x minus under root 3 whole square. Okay, no subscribe, no like, only share.